Every night I go to bed and look up at the sky.